Begin the name of Allah, who is most merciful and most kind. The topic of my today's speech is Tawheed. Tawheed is the cornerstone of the religion of Islam. The literal meaning of Tawheed is the oneness of Allah, one to believe. The summary of Tawheed is that there is no God but Allah. We also can believe on Allah and we are Muslim. Our religion is Islam and we are all the followers of Islam. Islam, the Tawheed is the most fundamental principle of the religion of Islam. Lord of the worlds, Allah is the creator and owner of all the worlds, everything present in the sky and in the earth. Allah is alone its creator and nature. Dear President, from Hazrat Adam alayhi salam to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, all the prophets preached the belief of Tawheed. Tawheed is the most fundamental principle of Islam. Once the pagan Arab are used to ask Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam how Allah is. In the response, Allah Almighty revealed His Surah Ikhlas, in which Allah Almighty said, "The Allah has no father and it is not the son of anyone." Therefore, if we are Muslim, then we accept the belief of Tawheed. If we left the Tawheed, we do not follow the Islam. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.